Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start the new chapter synthetic fibers and plastics. Fibers can be classified into basically two categories: man made fibers, that is synthetic fibers, and natural fibers. Natural fibers are the fibers obtained from nature, that means plants and animals. For example, cotton and jute. Now, basically, we have to study about the synthetic fibers. So, synthetic fibers, which are also known as the man-made fibers, or we can say the artificial fibers, these are made from different chemicals. Hence, each of the synthetic fibers have their own properties. Synthetic fibers are more in length and are long-lasting. The only limitation in synthetic fiber is that they are poor absorbents of moisture and they catch fire easily. Synthetic fiber is a chain of small chemical units joined together. Each small chemical unit is known as monomer, and these monomers combine together to form a long chain compound that is known as polymer. And the process in which the monomers combine together to form polymer, that process is known as polymerization. For example, you or have heard a very common word, polyethylene. This polyethylene is a polymer which is made up by the combination of the small unit ethene. So ethene is the monomer which combine together to form a long chain, and that long chain, which is polymer, is polyethylene, and the process by which ethene is converted into polyethylene, that process is known as polymerization. So in this chapter, basically we have to discuss about various types of synthetic fibers, their uses, their properties. So we will study all of them one by one. So we'll start with the first synthetic fiber, that is rayon. Rayon was the first synthetic fiber to be invented at the end of the 19th century. So this is the first synthetic fiber. Okay. Now, in this preparation of the rayon, the raw material which was used for preparation of rayon is cellulose, and cellulose is a natural fiber. So if we see, so basically that rayon is not a fully synthetic fiber. It is a semi-synthetic fiber. Why we are saying semi-synthetic fiber? Because the raw material used for preparation of the rayon, that raw material was the natural fiber. Okay, not the chemical. So that's why it is a semi-synthetic fiber. Then the cellulose is a natural polymer. It needs extensive chemical treatment to form rayon, because there is a difference between the cellulose, that is a natural polymer, and the rayon. Okay, so for that basically we are using sodium hydroxide solution and some other chemicals also like carbon disulfide, and then finally by a wrong chemical treatment we will get the rayon. It is also known as artificial silk because it resembles silk fibers in appearance. So that's why it is also known as artificial silk. So we can say we are having two different words for rayon. The first one is semi-synthetic fiber. The second one is artificial silk. It absorbs moisture and is comfortable to wear. It can be easily dyed in various colors. This is about the rayons. Let's see some more properties of the rayons. Rayon is a good absorbent of sweat. It lustrous in appearance, easily dyed and woven into cloth. So this is about the various properties of rayon. Now, what are the various fields where the rayon can be used? So what are the various uses of the rayons? Rayon is used for making jackets and tracksuits. Rayon is used for making surgical dressings. Why it is used for making surgical dressings like bandage and other things? Because it has a very high absorbing nature. So it can absorb the fluid easily. That's why it is used in surgical dressing. It is used in reinforcing nylon tires. It is also used for making curtains and dress materials because it is soft, silky and moisture absorbent. So these are the various uses of rayons. In the same way, we have to discuss the other synthetic fibers and their uses. So in our next video, we will discuss about the next synthetic fiber, that is nylon.